Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 10.1 from Practical Geometry, 7th class NCERT. Question number 3. Let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Choose any other point R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So first of all we have to take L line. After that we have to put a point P not on L line. Okay. Apart from L line we have to make a point that is P. From P draw a line M parallel to L. So that L line is parallel to M with the point P. Now join P to any point Q on L. So in that line L we have to make a Q also. So we have to join P and Q as well. Then choose any other point or on M. Next in M line we have to choose any point on R. Through that R another line we have to draw parallel to PQ. So let this meet L at S. So that parallel line is meeting on L line with the point of S. So that enclosed shape we have to tell. So let's start with the construction of this given question. Here I am drawing and here I am writing steps also. First of all, take step 1 as L be a line. It means construct line L. So this is the line I am taking. See, this is the line L. So it is finished and P be a point not on L. So not on L, P be a point. So I am taking P here. So this is the P. So apart from L line, okay. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. We have to draw the line parallel to the L. So skip that step and next here step 2 is put point P not on line L. Okay. Step 3 is here. Now join P to any point Q on L. See, on L line we have a point Q. Now I am taking Q at any point. So I am taking here. See, this is as Q. So step 3 is put or take point Q on line L. Okay. Now step 4. See, I am taking Q line. Here join P to any point Q. So I already choose a point Q on L. So we have to join P and Q. I am joining these 2 points. Next we have to draw a line M parallel to L but through P. So let's see here angle protractor. See, this is the angle of 72 degrees. It means this is 72 degrees. Now take here also 72 degrees at P again. So I am putting points at zeros. Now extend these two. This is line M. Now here is also 72 degrees. Why? Because of these two are parallel lines. That's why how much angle at Q is equal to angle at P. So step 4 is, we forgot to write it, connect P and Q points. And step 5 is with angle P is equal to angle Q or vice versa, take line M parallel to line L. Okay, next step 6 is, this is also completed, right? Choose any other point or on M. I am taking or at any place. I am taking R here. This is also over. So write step 6. Put any point on M as R. Okay. Next step 7. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Now, here, in order to get this line parallel to this line, we have to measure this angle. So, these two are same. So, this is also 72 degrees. Now, take the protractor help and here also mark 72 degrees. This is 70, 71, 72 degrees and connect these two lines. See, these two are parallel lines. Through R, draw a parallel line to PQ. Let this meet L at S. So, this is S and this is the angle of 72 degrees. Here also 72 degrees. Here also 72 degrees. Here also 72 degrees. Next step 7 is draw a parallel line to PQ, that is with angle R is equal to 72 degrees. Now see, construction is over. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So this is two sets of parallel lines. See, this is one and this is the one and this is the two. This is one and this is the two. These are two sets of parallel lines. What shape these two sets of parallel lines enclose? It gives, it is a parallelogram. So therefore the shape parallelogram is given by two sets of parallel lines enclose. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.